Hey, you guys, we got some math. This week is tables and graphs or picture graphs. And what those are ways of organizing information so that you can see it better. It's more clear. It's like a picture of the information. And you can also use it to compare things. There's many types of graphs and tables. The first one I wanted to show you is just a tally chart. All right. And so you can see that that's how they organize the information of the different types of fruits. So for the mangoes, they counted up 12 mangoes. So they put 12 little marks. Okay. And then you can see how many of each fruit there are. So that's one type of a table. And I wanted to talk about when you are looking at a graph, you want to make sure that you check out all the information before you just start going to the questions, like understanding what we're talking about, how they've organized the chart. And so in this one, this picture graph shows the number of stickers that 4 boys have. Okay, and then I look at it, see the names of the boys, and then it says here, each box stands for 4 stickers. So if I had just gone ahead with the questions where it says, David has how many stickers? And just put 2, I would have been wrong, right? I needed to look over everything and realize that each box stands for 4. So David really has 4 plus 4 is 8 stickers. Okay? All right, this chart, they've given us some different information. This chart is about what kids chose for their favorite place to go. So 15 kids chose the zoo, 6 kids chose the gardens, 12 the amusement park, and 12 the beach. Okay, all right, so we're looking at what the kids chose, but then we get here and each star stands for blank children. So we have to figure it out. Okay, well, we know they're going to give us enough information. We just have to use our brains to figure it out. So let's use the zoo to figure out the stars. All right, up here it shows us that 15 kids enjoy the zoo. We have 5 stars to represent the zoo. So how many 5s go into 15? Then we can figure out how much each star is worth. So 5, 10, 15. Okay, 3 5s make a 15. So each star would be worth a 3. Okay, and so then you would know that would help you with the rest of the questions when you get to those. Okay, that one was kind of hard. So ask for help if you need help on some of these. All right, we're going to look at bar graphs next. See if you can figure out why it's called a bar graph. Bar graph? Because the information is in bars. All right, so sometimes on graphs, excuse me, they're going to show you what's being represented. This bar graph shows some information. I think this is talking about some kids that went fishing. Okay, so we got their names, but then over on the side represents the number of fish that they caught. Okay, but notice it's not going up by, Matthew caught 1, 2 fish. It's going up. You got to look at the information. It's going up by 2s to 4 fish. Okay, so let's look over here at, who was that? Tyrone. All right, and he caught 2, 4, 6. We got 8. He caught 8, and then the middle there. So what would that one be? Well, right in between 8 and 10 would be a 9, right? It's right in between. So Tyrone caught 9 fish. All right, let's look at one more here. And this one is talking about the bar graph and table below shows Miguel's examination results, so kind of his test results for 4 different subjects. Okay, so let's check it out before we start just going. All right, it looks like these are his 4 subjects, and the points he got are going up to 100 points, and they're going up by 10s. Okay, so if you looked at how many his results for English, he got a 7, right in between a 7 and an 80. 70 and an 80, sorry. And so right in between 70 and 80 is 75. Okay. All right. They've also listed it right there to help you out. But so look at all the information to try and help you see how they've set it up so that you can answer the questions correctly. Okay. Here's just a simple table, how they've organized the number of books that were read by these different people. It's easy to see. And so that's it. Just it could be many different ways that they represent the information. So look at it and have some fun with it. Personally, I love graphs because I like to see how it's organized, and it's just more clear to me than just a bunch of numbers. So hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.